Today I want to talk about the OneTab Chrome extension. What this is going to do is to allow you to organize your Chrome browsing experience. Alright, let's go ahead and open up Chrome. So I've already got a bunch of tabs open, but let me go ahead and do a search for OneTab for Chrome. And you can type in the word extension if you wish as well. Let's go ahead and do that. Hit enter. I'm going to do a Google search, and it's going to bring up Google search results. What I want you to focus and concentrate on is the OneTab for Google Chrome, and this is on the Chrome Web Store. Go ahead and click on that. Again, it's going to show you the Chrome Web Store, and here we have the OneTab extension. Want to look at more information, you can always come down here and look some more. Let's go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. First thing it's going to do is ask you for sure that you want to do this. Go ahead and add extension. It's going to download something and then install. And again here, this is going to ask you if you want to turn on sync. I choose not to in this case. Go ahead and click on the X. So now I've got this little icon in the upper right. What this little icon is good for is going to help us to organize. Let me go ahead and open up another tab. Now I believe that you have found, as you have been browsing over the months or years, that you have multiple tabs up here, sometimes too many. Sometimes you want to close them, you wind up closing them all one at a time if you wish, but you don't have to. Using this little icon here, the OneTab icon, I'm going to go ahead and click it. What this does is to bring all of those tabs into one tab, hence the name. So what this does is take all 11 tabs and shrink them down into one tab. And then if I want to open up any of these tabs, it also organizes it a little bit better so I can read and see what they are. Then all I'd have to do is to click on them. So one of the first things I want to do is to come up here to Options. Go ahead and left click on Options. It's going to open up the options for OneTab, and let's scroll down here so that when I come to where it says on clicking restore all or restoring a single tab, I want to keep them in my OneTab list. I can go ahead and X out of this. So what this will do is allow me to, I have all these tabs in this one tab. If I wish, I want to open up this one, like the time, I can click on it, and there it is right there. If I want to open up YouTube, there it is right there. Say you're doing some research on a particular stock or something, you could have your Vanguard account open, the Wall Street Journal account open, Quicken open, and have all of those open in one set of tabs in order for you to kind of keep them organized. Yes, you can do that in Bookmarks Manager, but this is a whole lot quicker and easier. The author of the extension also says that this saves a lot on Chrome memory, which sometimes Chrome gets a little out of hand on taking up your computer's memory. So this is just a little extension that allows you to modify and enhance your browsing experience in Chrome. Go ahead and minimize Chrome. So again, this is the OneTab Chrome extension. What we did was to open up the Chrome browser. We searched for the OneTab Chrome extension. We used the Chrome Web Store. We installed the OneTab extension for Chrome from the Chrome Web Store, and from this point on we can enjoy a better organization of your browsing. So these tips and many more like them, computer education classes at the Octavia Fields Branch Library of Harris County Public Library. Thank you.